Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's unboxing is of January's edition of Glossybox. I used to do unboxings of Glossybox and numerous other beauty boxes a long time ago, and I don't generally get them anymore because they used to be good and then there was lots of different boxes available and everyone was trying to outdo everyone, and a lot of them started to get really bad content, so I basically stopped getting them. But I thought I would try Glossybox again and see how I get on, so I thought I would unbox it on camera. So if you're new to Glossybox, it's a monthly subscription service which is £10 plus postage, and you generally get around 5 items. Some are full size, some are sample and luxury sample sizes, and they come normally in this pink box. Sometimes they come in other like limited edition boxes and things like that. Let's look at the contents of this box. So when you open the box, there's a card at the top which I've took out because it tells you what everything is, and I don't want to know what everything is yet. And it's always got the black ribbon on, and it's always normally pink tissue paper, and it's normally stuck down like that. So the first item is this Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Super Food Facial Oil. I'm not a fan of anything rose scented, if I'm being really honest. So I don't know if I will try this, but it's always disappointing because there's a lot of people that don't like rose scented things. So it comes in this bottle, which has got one of these dropper applicators, which I do like, and I will read what it says on the card. Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil Travel Size. The full size is £55. And it says this gorgeous facial oil is packed full of skin enriching minerals and vitamins which all work together to rejuvenate, renew and protect your complexion. Moroccan roses are a potent source of vitamins A and C plus antioxidants essential for protecting against free radicals. Pop 3 drops onto your fingertips and gently press into your skin, keeping it fully hydrated and supple all day long. So that's the first item in the box. The next item is this really stunning dual coloured Nail Medic Rejuvenator Nail and Cuticle Energizer. How stunning are those colours? And on the card it says Nail Medic Nail and Cuticle Energizer, retail price £5.99, and it is full sized, and it says if your nails are in need of some serious TLC, this reparative oil is just what you need. A delicious blend of vitamins, plant extracts, revitalising eucalyptus and soothing lavender. It gets to work on brittle nails, split cuticles and dry skin. Just massage a few drops into your nail bed and cuticles for instant hydration and stronger nails. I do suffer from dry nails that like not split but peel a little bit, but that's always because my nails are permanently painted. The next item is this, which is the EE, which stands for, doesn't say on it, but it says Green Tea Primer Prep and Protect Vegan, and on the card it says Evelyn Iona Cosmetics Green Tea Primer. A good primer is essential for flawless skin. Long lasting makeup is why we're so smitten with this. Packed with moisturising ingredients including avocado oil and green tea extract. It will nourish and protect your complexion, reduce the appearance of fine lines and large pores, and help your makeup stay put for longer. It's cruelty and paraben free too. This is full size and retails at £22. The last item before this big box, which you can probably see all the time, is this Apecia. I don't know if it's Apecia Blush Cream in Pollen. On the card it says the Pecia Cream Blush, retail price is £22 like the last product, and again it's full size. If you're new to cream blush, this couldn't be a better introduction, as with all the Pecia products it's rich in organic bee pollen to nourish skin. For a subtle flush of colour, dab it on slowly and blend in, building up the colour as you need. A deep honey pink, this hue suits all skin tones. Really it is pink. Let's see how that rubs in. Actually it is very subtle. I don't know if that is showing up, but I like that. And the final product is the biggest one in the box, and probably why it's all ripped, and it is this Beauty Beneath Original Formula, designed for fine lines and wrinkles, skin texture, 60 capsules, 1 month supply. I have actually seen this advertised on the Boots website, and I do think it's a Boots product. So I'll read what it says about it. Boots, I was right. Beauty Beneath supplements. While serums and moisturisers are vital for great skin, they can only penetrate so far, which is why it's a good idea to boost your efforts with a nutrient-rich supplement. The Beauty Beneath formula from scientists at Boots consists of 2 soft gel capsules taken daily, each packed with a complex blend of 19 nutrients essential for healthy, glowing skin. These nutrients work to boost your own collagen production, fading lines and wrinkles whilst leaving your skin softer than ever. Retail price £40, and this is a full-size product. It also says it can take around 4 weeks for results to take effect, which is why we've included a month's supply. Remember to take yours daily for the best results. So I don't really have any wrinkles. I don't really think I have many fine lines, if any, to be honest. But I will try this. It's quite expensive, so I don't know if I would actually willingly purchase this. I'd probably prefer a cream, to be honest. And then there's another 2 packets underneath there as well. Quite pretty colours as well. I know that doesn't make any difference, but here you go. I am going to try them for a month. I may take before and after pictures for my own reference just to see if there's any difference, and taking a vitamin can't be harmful, so I am going to take them daily. So there is my unboxing of January's Glossybox. I will probably keep subscribed for the time being unless I get a really bad box, and then I will unsubscribe again, because who wants to waste over £13 on a subscription when you could go out and spend that on buying something else. If you'd like to see more unboxing videos, please stay tuned, because I am going to do quite a few, because I've got quite a few things to unbox, and I'll be back again next month with another unboxing of the Glossybox. Thank you for watching everyone, bye.